Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A bit of a random video. I'm here. My nails and skin and everything is the worst. Like, I've been picking, I've not had nails on, I haven't even filed or pushed back my cuticles or anything, literally anything. But anyway, I wanted to come on, share with you the new Christmas glitters and the new Christmas cuticle oils that we also have as well. Going to give them a shake just so we've dispersed the scent. I know you guys can't smell them, but I can. So we have Christmas Market, we have Christmas Eve, and then we have Sweet Gingerbread. These are absolutely stunning. They are 100% natural oils that are mixed in with them, and then we have the obviously the fragrance blend oil for the scent. They are just so good for your skin, for healing, for stopping that dryness, which I have right now. I'm gonna literally apply this oil and get rid of that. So let me see which one I want to apply. I think I'm gonna do the Sweet Gingerbread because honestly, life, like, well, they all are super festive and super gorgeous. We have them in these dropper bottles, which are 10ml. They do have like a bit of a seal that kind of seals them together. I'm a little bit weak, so I struggle to sometimes undo them, so I just literally get some scissors and snip, snip, snip. We'll let you guys know that we are going to work on some cuticle oil pens as well, which I'm very excited about. But anyway, before I swatch the glitters, I needed to oil my nails, and I thought, what a perfect time to share with you the Christmas cuticle oils that we launched. They are just absolutely stunning. So I'm just gonna literally, I like to do it like that, and I let it soak just for a moment, and then I'll continue to rub that in and, you know, get it super duper hydrated and beautiful. And they smell absolutely stunning. We also have as well the advent calendars, which are online. They are freaking gorgeous. I have spent, well, we all spent a lot of time kind of putting them together, getting them ready, and just making them happen. And I think they are so fabulous. Such a good, what's the word? Just a good Christmas treat for yourself if you want to kind of, you know, get on all of that. So yeah, I'll link that down below as well if anyone's interested in grabbing the Glitter Planet advent calendar. I'm hoping to do my nails soon, and I will be doing them with you guys on camera. I'm just not sure whether to kind of tidy them up, you know, just slightly extend. I just noticed that one of my lights isn't on. There we go. Slightly extend them, or whether to go with a full-on long, like, Christmassy blingy set. So I don't know, comment down below, let me know what you think about that. But wow, literally smells like sweet gingerbreads and just stunning. Okay, so Christmas glitters, let's get into it. They are stunning. Let's just be honest. I've got quite a few. I think there is 12 in total that we just launched. So these are the new pots as well that we will have available on the website. Gorgeous, like, clear purple lid with the branding that's been printed on. You still will get a little plain label so you can just write on. Don't mind my scruffy handwriting. But anyway, yeah, this one is Christmas Tradition. And what I'm going to do is just run through all of the glitters and show you guys how they look just as they are, and then we will swatch them. So that's Christmas Tradition. Ooh, this one's Christmas Lights. I nicked some before we labelled, well, before I popped a label on. So this one's Christmas Lights, and how stunning. It just reminds me of those really gorgeous multicoloured Christmas lights, literally, that you get and they're just twinkling away. I love those multicoloured lights. That's what we have on our tree. And I've got that one again since I nicked it twice from HQ, but that's fine. This one's called Candy Cane for obvious reasons. Such a gorgeous, like, matte white and then metallic red multi-size hexagon mix. Absolutely stunning. And then we have Christmas Joy. Okay, I'm back. Stopped recording, a memory card was full, emergency, declutter happened, and I'm back. Okay, so this one was Christmas Joy. absolutely gorgeous. Is it even going to focus? It's absolutely stunning. I'm hoping you guys can see. It's kind of iridescent clear reflex with white, red and green stars. So freaking pretty. And then we have paper chain. Paper chain. I just remembered when when I named this, I remember making paper chains at school, and this is what for some reason it reminded me of, so that is why we named it that. So that one's paper chain. This one is absolutely stunning. This one is called Merry and Bright. It's like a really gorgeous cool toned champagne gold of multi-hexagon sizes, but then it's also got the flakes in there, which are super fine. And then running through that, it has red and green holographic flakes as well. It's just absolutely stunning. Such a pretty, pretty glitter. This one is called Soft Snow. It just looks stunning. It might be hard for you to see, let me see. So you've got the snowflakes, the iridescent white larger ones, but then you've got these like little delicate pastel ones like red and mint and yellow. I really don't know if you can see. And then you've obviously got the white matte glitter as well. Such a pretty, pretty glitter. And you can just kind of pick individual pieces out or use the whole kind of glitter. So this one's called Christmas Cracker, and it literally just reminded me of a Christmas explosion. I mean, let me kind of see. I need to give it a shake. All of the white pieces have kind of come to the top, but you can kind of see that, okay there, that's a bit better. Sometimes glitters settle and you'll just see kind of one part of it. I still didn't make that any better, but. So there's all different snowflakes, and then you've got like, I'll show you these when I'm swatching obviously, a lot better, but you can see you've got the gold kind of reflex, the gold little dots and the tinsel and the red glitter in there. It's such a stunning mix for a Christmas mix. And then we have Evergreen, which is honestly one of my favourites out of the lot. I mean, they're all very pretty, but this one just literally screams Christmas to me, like traditional Christmas. I love traditional Christmas colours, like the red, the golds and the greens. And that is how we decorate. I love all the old, like nostalgic childhood memories of going to my grandma's, and she's got all these decorations. So that is kind of what I love to focus on with our family and my kids as well. So yeah, properly love traditional colours. I mean, I love looking at other people's like rose gold or silver setups or white trees, but for me, the traditional Christmas, I just literally live for it. So this one's called Mulled Wine, and it's almost similar to that Evergreen mix in the way that it's made up with the particles. The only difference is it's more of a kind of like a mulled wine or a spice kind of colour. It's so pretty, and you've just got the gold, like larger and smaller stars in there. And then the final glitter is kind of random, but I felt like throwing it in there. It's called Dark Mermaid. And damn, she's so pretty. Absolutely stunning. You've got a mix of metallic, teal, holographic purple, pinky kind of colours. Such a pretty, pretty mix. And I actually did do as well, guys, this set using the Evergreen. I'm not sure if it's going to be up by now. Hopefully it is. If not, it's coming soon. It's such a simple, pretty set. And I just love, love, love how it turned out. We also launched as well Peppermint Candy, Fimo, and also Gingerbread Kid, which is like the candy canes, Santa and the little gingerbread men. I have overfilled these bags because I literally didn't weigh them out. Everything gets weighed, so they are a little over full. They are 3 grams, so it's just about up to there. Just in case you buy them and you think I didn't get as much, I'm just letting you guys know. We got in the stock and I had to just grab everything because it was late, everything was rushed, and I was like trying to fill everything, and I didn't weigh anything, but I wanted to show you them still. So yeah, this is how they look. Again, I can just imagine gorgeous glass tips filled with peppermint candy canes and swirls, and just properly beautiful. So yeah, let's go through. I'm going to quickly swatch. I'm using the long point pop sticks, which we have available on the website as well, and just the clear acrylic and the rainbow aqua brush as well. So yeah, I'll be swatching those just in a sec. So I always just pop a little bit of clear acrylic in my pop stick, just so that it kind of gets grabbed, like the glitter gets grabbed on the other side, and then I just fill it up and smooth it out, and do that a couple of times. You do have to know as well, guys, when you are swatching things into these pop sticks, it's not necessarily how it's going to look on the nail, just as a heads up, because obviously, can you see how it's getting manipulated on top, whereas underneath it's literally just been splodged on, and that is it. Obviously it still looks amazing, but yeah, just so you guys know, in case anyone was wondering, like if they've put an acrylic on, no matter what brand, this is just general advice, and it doesn't look the same on the other side. It's because the product isn't being manipulated to the same extent as it is on the other side, basically. I hope that makes sense. Please let me know if it does or it doesn't. This one is Christmas Tradition. Such a pretty glitter, absolutely stunning. So that one is Christmas. Did it? So that one is Christmas Lights. What? No, you didn't. This one is Candy Cane. Also, guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. You guys know I would. Always do. Always have done. This one's so pretty. I can just imagine Candy Cane Lane nails, red and white, super Christmassy. Then we have Christmas Joy, which is a super chunky one. So what I'm actually going to do is put some clear in, and then what I'll do is pick up, you know, some of those stars first, just to give them a chance to kind of get through to the front. Otherwise they definitely just won't, and they'll be taken over by the smaller pieces. And then that is what I was meaning by not having like a true, you know, representation of that glitter or product or whatever it may be that you are swatching. And then I'll come in with the rest. So the next one is Paper Chain. And of course, these shapes you could kind of arrange in whatever way you wanted. You could create lines on the nails or random like confetti pieces. I am literally just showing them in a full pop swatch so you can kind of just see how the glitters actually look. This next glitter is Merry and Bright. This next glitter is called Soft Snow, and it's got the chunky pieces in, so I'm just going to try and kind of pick, you know, like I said, a few out of the snowflakes first. Probably not the best pop stick to be swatching on because it's super curved. Let me just put a bit more acrylic. And I might just get that in there. Yes. I really wanted one of those big ones in for the swatch as well. Super gorgeous. Quite hard to work with on the pop stick because it's so kind of like narrow and super curved. Of course, you're working on a bit more of a flatter surface when you're creating actual nails, and that's what you've kind of got to take into account as well. This next one is Christmas Cracker. So that one is Christmas Cracker. And for the final glitter, we are going to be swatching Evergreen. I forgot one. Dark Mermaid in all of her glory. So let's quickly swatch that one as well. I was putting them together and looking and I was like, damn, forgot you. So I'm quickly doing that one. So this one is Dark Mermaid. Absolutely gorgeous, glorious and beautiful. So here are all of the Christmas glitters that we've just swatched in this video, apart from also the Dark Mermaid, which I'm just letting that set so we can get the full shine. But how stunning are they? Like perfect for getting your nails into that festive spirit. I've got some fluff. Let's get rid of that because we didn't invite you here. But yeah, let me know which one you guys love and which ones are your favorite, if you'll be picking up any of them. I just love them all, honestly, in their own unique ways. They are so festive and so freaking pretty as well. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I know I haven't done one for a while where I've just sat and swatched, but I really do hope you enjoyed it. That is the Dark Mermaid as well, so dreamy. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. As always, I will link everything down below in the description box, so don't forget to check it out and use my code NINJA5 for 5% off your order. I think that's about it. As always, guys, remember, you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye!